The Wonder Wardrobe course is 6 years old! And to celebrate this beautiful anniversary, I wanted to show you these 6 years through the eyes and capsules of 6 Wonder Wardrobe students. They are all very different, they have very different background and different capsules, of course. And I want them to share their stories and how their capsule wardrobes came to be. The second student that I had the pleasure chatting with was Emily from the US. Welcome, Emily.
Oh, thank you so much for helping me out with this. I just loved your capsule and I thought that would be super nice to share with others.
Oh, because I thought my capsule is not the same as the one that you usually do, and I was like afraid that it's not what you wanted.
Oh, no, I want everything. I want diversity. I want to show that you can use the method and do whatever with that.
Oh, okay, that's good to know. At first, I started watching many other YouTubers doing capsule wardrobe, and then there were a lot of ones that just says, oh, buy this white blouse, buy this tank top, buy this trousers. And then I was like, oh, it's like not really me. And it's like, my clothes just doesn't match it. I was like digging through more YouTube channels and I found your YouTube channel and I was like, oh my gosh, exactly. That like makes more sense to me. I mean, at least it applies to my lifestyle. I got the course. And yeah, it really changed how I shop around, how I dress. Like at least in the morning, it takes a lot less time to get dressed, for sure. Yeah.
Nice. And did you start your Wonder Wardrobe with a lot of clothes? Did you have to like downsize or you had to buy more? Like what's the situation?
I was like going through a lot of cleaning out for a while. And then, so that I was looking for capsule wardrobe. So then I did put a lot of clothes that I don't wear anymore away. And then I took the course. I did get some more items to like make my wardrobe more cohesive because it was a lot of like pieces here, pieces there that didn't match. And then I like, also the PDF was really helpful. Once I was able to put everything in PDF, it just was much more clear to me. And I know what clothes I have instead of like tucking it away and forget about it.
You made 2 wardrobes, right? For summer and spring and fall.
Yeah.
You have 3 seasons in one. One for winter.
I kind of pick my clothes more like starting out with the bottom. So I think about, oh, I want to wear long pants today, or I want to wear a short skirt today. And then I also noticed that my clothes, they're kind of very bottom dependent. It's like, so then I just put whatever tops that will work with long pants in the slide. And then so I can just like mix and match all the long pants with these tops.
And then you have some denim as well and more tops, more t-shirts.
A lot of t-shirts.
Yeah, you need a lot of t-shirts because we should keep in mind that this is for 3 seasons. So
yeah,
obviously you need a lot. Then you have some long sleeves.
Yeah, and then it couldn't fit all the short sleeves and the long sleeve in one slide. That would be too much. And then I just put them in different slides with the same bottoms.
Yeah, but it makes sense. It actually keeps everything organized. I also like that you have quite a lot of diversity. This is very good because sometimes people think that for capsule wardrobe, you should just keep everything super simple and then they end up with outfits that look exactly the same.
I mean, I tend to also notice that I buy things that works for me, but then I buy it again. And then it's like, oh, then I would have too much of the same thing. So I was like, I try to not to overbuy of the same thing.
And besides that, do you feel like you have always something to wear and you feel less anxious maybe about how you look during the day? Did this improve a little bit? Of course, sometimes we consider fashion is only external. Not so often think about internal and how we feel about it and how it improve our life in a different way, not only appearances. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So for like a long time, I was also like not very sure if what I was wearing was like, make sense, I guess. Because I was always very like, oh, what if this top doesn't match with the top bottom? I wonder what people think. Because like sometimes I get hear from my friends are like, why would you wear this with this? And then now I'm just like, yeah, I'm gonna wear this with this, like whatever. And like also because I took the course, I'm more confident. I'm like, oh, it makes sense. Like before, I was always trying this top and bottom, and I was like, why this doesn't work out? I don't understand. And I had to keep trying, and then it didn't work. And now I was like, oh, it doesn't make sense because the proportion was not right or the color was not matching. Yeah. And then I feel like more comfortable wearing the clothes. I was like, oh yeah, they all match and they look great on me and makes me look good too. Yeah.
But you still have some transitioning to do in terms of colors.
Yeah, I think so.
But you'll get there. There's no hurry. No hurry. And I like that here you have like socks also matching your sweatshirt.
Yeah, and the bag too.
And the bag.
It's my favorite color. So I just like
it's very cute, and I think it suits you really well. Here we have skirts that look alike. Okay.
Yeah, that's the problem. I bought the same skirt in different color.
Yes, but I'm sure when you style it with your clothes, they look different. You get different outfits. Some dresses. Cute. Yep. Any favorite dress here?
I like the yellow one. I wear that a lot because it's very comfortable. Nice. And I don't have to pick outfits. I just put it on and I can go.
And then you have some winter dresses, warmer dresses.
Yep.
Semi-formal dresses. Quite a collection.
I know.
Yeah, and I like that you put here a skirt. So it's not only dresses, but you try to incorporate some separates as well. Yeah, because you put some fancy, sexy sandals and it's completely different already. More dressed up. And you also organized your outfits for exercise. No, that's fine. That's great actually, because a lot of people forget about this part of their life, which they also can organize.
Yeah. I started the PDF before I took the course because I watched a video and then I was like, oh, that's a great concept. And I started the PDF. But then it was like, I still had places that I quite don't understand how clothes match. And then so I took the course and then I made my PDF definitely more detailed. And I just slowly add clothes one by one as I wear them. And I was like, oh, I need the picture of this. And I just Google it and either find something similar or kind of Photoshop it myself. Yeah. Or just take a picture of it and then put it in. Yeah. But it has been really easy because most of the clothes have pictures online nowadays.
Would you say that you wear everything now?
I definitely wear most of the things in my wardrobe. I still try to dig out some old clothes that that I don't wear anymore and try to see if it works. It's really hard. I guess like the clothes you don't wear, you really just don't wear them. I definitely want to put more patterns in my wardrobe because I think before I was afraid to look more unique, I guess. It's like, I just want to look like the rest of the people because many people here, they just like, wear comfortable clothes. They don't wear very dressy sometimes. And then you feel like you don't want to overdress. But then also I feel like, I kind of like to be more fun. And I like some patterns would make me have a better mood when I go out. I'm just like, they make me happy.
Yeah, no, I think it's a good plan. I don't think you need a lot of patterns, but definitely a few. Why not? And it's wonderful that you started to be more courageous, I would say.
Yeah.
Because, of course, life is too short to refuse yourself a little bit of patterns.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's usually in our head. We think what others would think about us, but they usually are thinking about what others would think about them.
Yeah, exactly.
I just want to tell you, like, sometimes I just like, don't have a good day, but when I watch your videos, it just makes me happier because like you always have like such great energy. So I'm really happy to meet you.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. This means a lot. I hope one day I come to California and we
Yeah, for sure. For sure. Yeah,
will be amazing to meet you in person.
that'll be great.
I hope you found this conversation interesting and Emily's capsule inspiring. I definitely feel this way. And I'm very happy to see diversity and how different and unique my students' capsules are. I definitely never have thought that we could reach this beautiful creativity all around us. Oh my god. Anyway, so if you ever wanted to join the Wonder Wardrobe course, now is the perfect time because we've prepared a very special and rare gift for you. To find out what it is, please go to wonder-wardrobe.com. The Wonder Wardrobe community and I can't wait to turn your closet into a Wonder Wardrobe. I hope to see you soon in the classroom.